We are obligated to report what we perceive as suspicious, fake, or spam on LinkedIn. However, when you go to report a fake LinkedIn account, you can only do it from one place. Let me show you what I mean. I typically am paying attention to the messaging that I get. And at a certain point when I get messaging, almost always when I get, can we have a pleasant conversation on WhatsApp, or give me, where is it right here? Give me your WhatsApp, Skype, or Google chat information. That right there to me is a dead giveaway that that's a fake account. When I get those kinds of messaging, what I want to do is click the three dots. I want to report block, but I don't have the ability to report it as a fake. I've checked all of these options here. None of these allow me to report this as what I perceive as a fake account, but you still can. What you have to do is go to their profile, and from their profile, by the way, if they don't show their face, that to me tells me it's a fake as well. I mean, it's got a picture but no face. But here's how you report it as a fake. More, on their profile, more, report block, report content on profile, profile information, suspicious, spam, or fake. Hey, look, suspicious. It's suspicious to me. So you click on that, and I can say right here, it's a fake account, inaccurate or misleading representation. This right here, one's business, one's qualifications, use of someone else's image, artificial images. That's an artificial image, I'm pretty sure. That's the option I want to use, and I want to hit submit and report that. Let me go ahead and do that. Let's see what happens. And I can furthermore, thank you for reporting this. So it's been reported. And I can also go a step further and block this account. That's the options you want to use. Again, you cannot report a fake account from messaging. You can only report a fake LinkedIn account from the LinkedIn profile. Click on more, report block, and profile information. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.